Hello, my name is Mike Estela. I'm an application engineer with Photron, and today I'm going to be talking about the auto conversion after saving feature in PFV4. This feature is only available in PFV4. You can always download the latest version of PFV4 completely free on our website, www.photron.com. There is no license key or activation required, so you can download it on as many PCs as you require. The auto conversion after saving feature allows the user to automatically start converting files just offloaded from the camera into another file format. This file conversion takes place in the background, and the user can continue to operate their camera to take additional recordings while the files are being converted. We generally recommend users offload their data first using the MRAW format, and then convert to any other desired file type using this tool or resaving at another time. The MRAW file format will always result in the fastest offload times, and you can think of it like a digital film negative. You'll have all of your raw data uncompressed and unprocessed. And now for a demonstration. So here you'll see I'm on the live screen of PFV4 and I'm connected with the Mini AX200. And I'll go ahead and start a recording here and let the buffer fill up. And now I'll go over here to my memory tab. And here you'll see the usual camera playback controls, and you can crop your recording and all of that. So for this example, we'll crop our recording down to about 1500 frames, and we'll click save. And here you'll have all of your normal save options where you can select your directory you're saving into, file name, and file format. Now, like I recommended earlier, MRAW will give you the fastest offload times and all of your raw data uncompressed and unprocessed. But you can save in whatever file format you desire. So we'll save into MRAW, and then we'll check this auto conversion after saving checkbox. When we check this, we can click edit, and now the second file format that we're saving, we can select the path and the file name and all of that, and you can edit your naming scheme. And once you have all of that to your liking, down here you can select the second file format that you would like to save. And for this example, we'll just choose a TIFF. So we'll hit OK, apply that, and we'll go ahead and save. And now I'm offloading the data from the camera's buffer onto my local PC. So I can move this box, but I can't do much of anything else. So I'm going to have to wait until this is finished. And then a second box will pop up, and that will be the file conversion from the MRAW into the TIFF. So this is from our camera's buffer, and it's offloading onto our PC in the MRAW format. And now this is completing here. And we can close this box, and you'll notice the second box popped up, and this is converting those MRAWs into TIFFs. So you'll have both files where you chose to save them. And now we can go back into the live view. We can move this box out of the way, and we can do something like start another new recording here. And we let that finish. And then we can go back into memory and, resave that and recrop that and all of that. So we'll let this finish really quick. And now we have a TIFF and an MRAW file format saved where we directed earlier. And that is the auto conversion feature. I hope you found this tech tip helpful, and have a great day.